Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, November 23rd. We continue reading from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. And today's essay is titled Hospitality. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a quote from Ivan Illich. At heart, hospitality is a helping across a threshold. In Dante's Divine Comedy, Virgil lovingly guides Dante through the hell of denial and the purgatory of illusion, up to a passage of fire that Dante might cross alone, beyond which he becomes authentic. Earlier in history, Aaron guides his brother Moses off Mountain Sinai back into the world, where the prophet must live what God has shown him. Even in Eden, if we can get past the punitive tellings we have heard so often, God ushers Adam and Eve to the threshold of the world, offering them the bruised and wondrous life of genuine experience that only those who are human can know. These are deep examples of spiritual hospitality, of helping kindred spirits further into their living. Truly, the most we can ask of others is for their guidance and comfort on the way, without imposition, design, or thought of reward. This is the hospitality of relationship, for family to help us manifest who we are in the world, for friends to bring us to the threshold of realness, for loved ones to encourage us to cross barriers of our own making into moments of full aliveness. This is the honest welcoming to table, without judgment of what we eat. Often, the purpose of love is for others to guide us, without expectation on or interference, as far as they can, so that we might begin. It reminds me of a dream I had when ill, in which I came to the edge of a forest where the narrow, lighted spaces called to me. I stood there through many opportunities, till an ageless woman of great resolve appeared, saying, "You cannot start, I know, and if I were kind, I'd see you halfway in, but I am more than kind. You must enter alone. I will meet you on the other side." I am not sure if that feminine presence was God or an angel or the peace of my own spirit, but its strong and gentle guidance was enough for me to make it through, and I never saw her again. But now, when I love by clearing paths that I have, I feel her in my hands. This speaks to one of our deepest callings of love, that special hospitality for the injured, the strong action of compassion that makes it possible for those in pain to heal themselves. It calls mysteriously and arduously for the clearing of confusion and the comfort of what is real. It is the way that we who have suffered can take our turn, lifting the head of whoever has fallen, bracing their exhausted neck to drink, knowing we can never drink for them. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. And remind yourself that this moment doesn't need any fixing. It's already good enough, just the way it is. And by the same token, you are good enough, sufficient, just the way you are in this moment. See if this reminder helps you enter some spaciousness. Feel free. Step into a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, thoughts, feelings, sensations, can flow through you simply as energy that they are, without struggle. Stay with the simplicity of the moment for a few breaths and really feel it. And now take a moment to recall one act of guidance and comfort you have received that asked for nothing in return. What was it? How did it feel in that moment? As you exhale next time, offer gratitude for the gesture of hospitality. And as you inhale, feel your own capacity for guiding without interfering. Feel your own capacity for giving comfort without needing anything in return. Now bring your hands to your heart and offer loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. As always, as you gently let go of your practice, notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you enter your day, practice anonymous guidance by leaving a gesture of kindness or truth in the path of others. Maybe leave half a sandwich where the homeless gather, or leave a book open to a passage of wisdom, or leave a flower on a bus seat. Help the world by leaving a trail of who you are. And as you do this, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.